I can't believe my fucking eyes. What is going on in Cambodia today? Holy shit. There's no way. I've never in my life seen something like this going on. Oh my god, it's so close. What's up, buddy? Hello. Oh, you think I got food for you? Huh? You're so cute. You're like a dinosaur. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I trust you or are you gonna bite my fucking arm off? I don't know if I could trust you or not. Oh, hello. I have no food, dude. You think I got food? You're crazy. It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's like a puppy. It's like a doggy. You just want some food, yeah? Yeah, you just want some food. Oh, chakut. 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 Rote. I have nothing for you. What the fuck? He's going for my dick? What? No. Oh. You're a beautiful bird. You know that? You're a beautiful bird.